In this video, I'm going to be cutting out an old toilet flange and installing a new one so that I can install a toilet. On this project, they had recently remodeled this bathroom and put in new floors, and the flange was missing its metal ring around it. And they do make retrofit rings, but they never seem to fit that great, so I'm just going ahead and cutting this one off. And I start by putting a rag on the pipe so I don't lose my inside cutter, and then use the inside cutter to literally cut it from the inside. I decided it would be easiest for me to use a street 3-inch flange, as it's 3-inch ABS pipe right there right now. When I cut the pipe with the inside cutter, I made sure to cut it at the height where I could just glue a 3-inch coupling on there and then glue the flange directly into it. It's best to install a flange directly on top of the finished floor. This will help the wax ring make contact with the bottom of the toilet and provide a good seal. Secondly, it's important to secure that flange to the floor so that the toilet doesn't rock and then jeopardize that seal later on. I prefer to use hardware kits that come with 2 sets of nuts so that you can set those bolts and actually tighten them to the flange prior to setting the toilet. This keeps them in place so that they actually stick to that hole without folding over. When you have a properly installed toilet flange to work with, the rest of the toilet installation is very straightforward. Appreciate you watching this video on installing a toilet flange, and I'll see you in the next video.